Hello everybody, today I want to pick this lock. I make video shots with this lock, but very interesting for me what kind of pin have this lock, because when I open him, something not strange, but something not standard, not like always. And I feel maybe because this is old generation, maybe, I don't know. Now we understand. Five little pin on third and first. Just a moment. Nice, nice, and very good. Okay, and now we got him. Just I see here this moment. I think need to to out this stift. Okay, just a moment. What we can to take for this moment? Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. Okay. I don't want to use this pin set for this idea, but nice. Oops. Don't move. Not have a ring what close rotor. Okay, so this is here, this is here, this is here, and so will good. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and now we need this moment. Can to be no? Okay, why not? Why not? Why not? Just a moment. We keep this. Just a moment. I don't want jump driver pins. And I not enter. Forgot. Oops. Okay. Okay. What I say? I'm right. Just a moment. But I see one pin number 5. Oops. Just a moment. I think this was from first. And this was from second. I want to be sure. Yes, okay. Not first, this is number 5. Come on. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. 5. No. 4. 3. 3. This is double pin 2. Oh, so interesting moment. I know, I say. So this is first time I meet element like this. I don't know for what is this. Maybe master system, maybe not. I don't know. I need to test this point here. Maybe this is not for master system. Okay, and 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 second. Oops, magic on the table. If was fly, I don't know if I was found him. And first, nice. First standard. Well, and we not have one mushroom. K pins, one not. But I know about this. When I open him, I feel it. This is number 3. Interesting moment. I need to understand for what. Okay, and now, oh, number 5 out. Okay. Oops. But this is one modification of driver pins. So this is not something. Yes, one. Not fall gates, nothing. No, not mushrooms. Okay, this is very interesting. What is this? I think this is master system. Just springs we have here. 5 springs, and this is okay. And now I want to show elements. Boom, 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 boom. Just a moment. Everything I understand here, and this is for master system, but this was in 2-in-1. I think this is for all master system or to change code. Interesting moment. First time I meet element like this. A ring and little pin, 2-in-1. And that's all. Okay. Okay. Not big surprises. Standard. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend, everybody. Bye bye.